Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video we're going to learn how to play one of the classics, Heartbreaker by Led Zeppelin. I'm going to show you how to play the main guitar riff, the one that you can hear already on the intro of the song. Before we start with the video, remember to subscribe to the channel. It's in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. As I said, we're going to learn how to play only the main guitar riff of the song, and it starts with the ring finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, and when we play that tone, we're going to bend the string. Okay? After that we play on the 5th string, 5th string open and 3rd fret, then we move to the 4th string and we play 4th string open, 1st fret and 2nd. After that, we're going to play again the 3rd fret on the 6th string with a bending. Okay. And then we're going to play almost like the first measure, but instead of playing only the 5th string open one time, we're going to play 16th notes. And the rest is the same. Okay, so there we have the measure 1 and 2. Okay, I show you one more time and then we can try together. Nice, so now let's try together. If you notice, before we start with the first measure, we have a tone that it's only one beat. So I'm going to count like this. 1, 2, 3, and we start. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We can try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and these measures we have to play them 3 times. Let's try to play it from the beginning and we play it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Repeat. Okay, so we continue with the 3rd measure, and we're going to move the index finger to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then the pinky finger on the 5th string. Then we move to the 4th string and we play 2nd, 3rd, 4th. After that, we come with the pinky finger to the 5th fret on the 6th string, and we do a bending. Okay, when we continue to the measure 4, it happens the same as the beginning. It's almost the same, but we start playing 16 notes. So when we put together the measure 3 and 4, sounds like this. Okay, the difference is that we don't have to repeat these 2 measures. So now I'm going to put together from the beginning. I'm going to repeat only 2 times. So I play measure 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Repeat. Measure 3. Perfect, so now let's try to play what I played together. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Perfect, and to end the riff we're going to play again as we played on the beginning. Only one time, and we end playing an A5, and that's putting a half bar on the second fret, and we have the 5th string open. Okay, and there we have the whole riff. I'm going to play it one time and then we try together. Remember that I'm going to repeat only 2 times. The first and second measure, I'm going to play them only 2 times. But in the original it's 3 times. So now let's try to play it together. I remind you again, measure 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we continue. And I count till 3 before we start. 1, 2, 3. And that's the main guitar riff of Heartbreaker by Led Zeppelin. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs for the song, you just have to visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.